Hi everyone, I'm Shantanu Tomar and welcome back to my YouTube channel Pixar Art. In today's video, I'm going to draw a character which have the characteristics of both Chhota Bheem and Krishna. So I will start by sketching the Krishna and Chhota Bheem sketches first. Then I will take both sketches as references and then I will create my own character from these two sketches. As you can see, I am drawing Krishna, and then after I will draw Chhota Bheem, full sketch of Chhota Bheem, and after that I will pick face and some hair part of Chhota Bheem and rest of the body parts of Krishna. After creating this new character, I will then refine the sketch and fill it with colors. So continue watching the video and enjoy the process. If you have any characters in your mind, please let me know in the comments so that we can mix those two characters and create a new character from those two. So don't forget to comment the character's name and I will try to do my best to create a merge character from those two characters. I hope you have enjoyed the process. So if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.